You won't believe how easy it is to turn a bit of ribbon into these gorgeous poinsettia blooms. Let me show you the trick. To start, you will need some wire edge ribbon, and you can get this in different colours and materials. A pair of scissors, a glue gun, and the embellishments for the centre of the flowers. You can choose whatever you may have left over. To start, we need to cut 3 lengths of our ribbon. You can decide on the size that you would like here. I take my scissors and I cut a length out of my wire edge ribbon. I'm then going to repeat this process 2 more times to get 3 similar lengths. I now want to cut points into each of the ribbon ends to make the petals. I fold each of these pieces in half, and then cutting at a diagonal away from the ribbon, I cut out a point. I do the same thing on both ends. Make sure you repeat this process on the other 2 pieces. Once you've created your points, we now need to cut the wire edging off. I snip as close to the wire as I can. If you'd like more shaping to your flower, you could keep these wire edging, and instead you could get yourself some separate wire to twist all of these pieces together. I'm now going to take each of these ribbon pieces and I'm going to pinch and fold in the centre. This will make 2 of our petals. You will want to repeat with all 3 of these pieces of ribbon, so they all look a little bit like bow ties. Once we've gathered all the ribbon together, we're going to take one of our wire edging that we snipped off earlier, and we're going to wrap and twist it around the centre of our flower. We bring the 2 tails of the wire towards the back of the flower, and then we're going to twist them tightly together to hold all of the ribbon. Once the flower is secure, you will have those 2 wire tails at the back that you can use to attach to a wreath or garland, whatever it is you are decorating. We now need to finish our flower by creating the lovely centre. You can use this out of beads, gems, sequins, anything that you may have left over from other craft projects. For this flower, I've got some leftover fake berries, so I've snipped the wire off of the fake berries, and I'm now going to use my glue gun to stick them into the centre for some lovely embellishments. Tie these onto a wreath, a garland, or even your tree for a lovely Christmas decoration this year. As you can see, I've done them in a variety of different colours and materials, so you can make these depending on the colour theme that you have for your Christmas decorations. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.